Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the auto lock screen time on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It can be really annoying when your phone keeps locking when you are doing something like reading or following a recipe. I will show you how to change the auto lock screen time to give you more time before your screen auto locks. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap on Display. Scroll down the display options and tap on Screen Timeout. You can now change the amount of time before the screen will time out. The highest time is 10 minutes. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.